Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to take a picture with your phone and then insert it to your document on the Adobe Fresco application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should select a document from either your home page or from the Files section. Click on the document and then you should go to this section in the left side of the screen, left side column. Tap on the picture icon down below, that's the last option, and tap on camera. Here you should allow the application to have access to your camera and then take a picture by clicking on this white button down below. If you are satisfied with the picture, click on the Use Photo button in the right side corner down below. Then you should transform your picture if you would like to. You can flip it vertically, horizontally. You can use the skew, distort and perspective buttons or functions. Drag one side and then play with your picture and edit it how you would like to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.